Hello student, I am Sayyada Aafreen from Department of Zoology, J.A.T, Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Today in this video, I will discuss about 5 kingdom classification system. The 5 kingdom classification system given by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. This system shows the phylogenetic relationship between the organisms. This system places all living things into one of the 5 basic kingdoms, that is kingdom Manera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. These are the 5 kingdoms. First, we will discuss about kingdom Manera. Kingdom Manera proposed by Copeland. In the kingdom Manera, all bacteria are included. It contains unicellular organism with prokaryotic cellular organization. Prokaryotic means the cell have primitive nucleus. These are single-celled organisms or unicellular organisms. The mode of nutrition is autotrophs as well as heterotrophs. Autotrophs having two types, chemoautotroph and photoautotroph, in which the cell wall is present. The cell wall is made up of peptidoglycans and pseudomurin. It is based on the types of bacteria. Basically, there are two types of bacteria, that is Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. These bacteria are differentiated into two types because of their cell wall. The DNA exists in simple double-stranded circular. They are omnipresent, that means they found in all type of environment. The membrane-bound organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, etc. are absent. Mode of reproduction is asexual as well as sexual, but highly asexual reproduction takes place. In rare condition, the sexual reproduction takes place. Asexual reproduction by the binary fission or budding. Very rarely sexual reproduction takes place by the process of conjugation. Morphologically, the bacteria are categorized into 4 groups: the spherical, the rod-shaped, comma-shaped and spiral-shaped. Based on this shape, there are 4 types of bacteria, that is Coccus, Bacillus, Spirillum and Vibrio. On the basis of evolution, the bacteria can be classified as Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archaebacteria is also called as false bacteria and Eubacteria is also called as true bacteria. These are differentiated from other bacteria on the basis of their different cellular feature. The Archaebacteria are mostly found in the extreme environments Hence, they are called as extremophils. Bacteria that can withstand high salinities are called as halophils, while those bacteria that withstand extreme temperature are known as thermophils. So basically the archaebacteria have the capability and the capacity to survive any type of environment. They can survive at lowest temperature. They can be survive at higher temperature. That's why they are called as extremophils. Because of the archaebacteria having the pseudomurine cell wall. Because of the pseudomurine cell wall, they can survive any type of environment. Second one is Eubacteria. These are commonly referred as true bacteria. They have cell wall of peptidoglycan. They are found as autotrophs and heterotroph. The autotroph can be photosynthetic like chlorobium and chromatium. These are the autotrophic bacteria. And sulfur bacteria is the chemosynthetic bacteria. These are the multicellular filamentous form living in fresh water. The body is covered by mucilaginous sheath. The genetic material is typically prokaryotic. They can be anaerobes, for example, lactobacilli, azotobacter, and streptomyces, etc.